Feeling stuck in a food rut? Same meals week after week? It's time to break free and explore a universe of flavors. Adding diversity to your diet isn't just exciting, it's fantastic for your health. And guess what? It's easier than you think. A varied diet ensures a wider range of essential nutrients, supports a healthy gut microbiome, and makes every meal an adventure. More colors on your plate often means more health benefits. First, venture beyond your usual supermarket aisles. Explore the international food section or visit a local ethnic market. You'll find vibrant fruits, unique vegetables, and aromatic spices. Imagine the new recipes. My dear, start small. Commit to trying just one new ingredient each week. It could be a different grain like quinoa, a new leafy green like Swiss chard, or even a new type of lentil. Every little bit helps nourish your body. And third, get creative with your current favorite dishes. Swap a familiar ingredient for something new. Use sweet potatoes instead of regular ones, try black beans in your chili, or add fermented foods like kimchi as a vibrant, gut-friendly side. Discovering these new foods is a wonderful journey, and keeping track of your culinary finds and their nutritional value. Our upcoming app is designed to make that simple. Imagine easily logging new ingredients, understanding their benefits, and building a more colorful meal plan. Spice up your meals. EradehApp will help you track new foods. Follow AusPulse. What new food will you try this week?